be surprised by this one. Shouldn't be long. Yep, there it goes.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Elburn and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin and Gilbert's around 8 o'clock p.m. West Dundee and Sleepy Hollow around 8:05 p.m. Carpentersville and East Dundee around 8:10 p.m. Barrington around 8:25 p.m. Other locations in the warning include South Elgin, Pingree Grove, and Barrington Hills. Other locations affected: Elgin Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest